My name's Jessica and I'll be performing Peach Blossom Flows in the River. I originally wasn't going to do a solo just because I'm a first year at UW and I didn't want to overbook myself, but all the TCD members were really encouraging me to do it, and they're like 4 times more busy than I am. And so I was like, if they could do it, maybe I could do it. So yeah, that's why I'm doing a solo. It was a fateful midterm night. I pulled an all-nighter. And I was just scrolling through a bunch of YouTube Chinese dance solos, and then I came across this one and I just fell in love with this music especially, and the movements secondly, and plus it's like a pretty short one, so if I was too overwhelmed, I think I could do it because it's only like 2 minutes, so I was like, might as well, I think I could rock this, so.